Now, the limited liability company, or the LLC, is formed on the state level. The costs vary by state, but it's very similar to the sole proprietorship or the partnership, in that you have the option of being treated as an S corporation, and you can take advantage of both business types. Now, this is ideally suited for small and new businesses. It's simple, it's inexpensive, it's easier than a C, it's easier than an S, because there's less rules, there's less regulations, and less legal compliances in general. And there's no impact on your personal assets. It limits the liability of its owners. It does not pay a federal income tax, and that's because it passes through that income to its members with no tax at the entity level. And all the assets are owned by the LLC.